I was born to be free.
Good afternoon, everybody. YouTube, what is poppin'? How we doing? How we feeling? Happy Wednesday. Bitcoin, guys, is at $73,000. I did not expect to be saying that Bitcoin was going to be at $73,000, and definitely did I not expect it to be this quick, this fast, and this not going down. Shouts out to the VIP members that were in the chat yesterday. We were scalping the living shite out of Bitcoin yesterday, and I want to talk about what happened. I want to talk about why we came back up here. I want to talk about what's going on right now and what might come to follow. So today's going to be a good episode of this show here. And as always, guys, I need you all to give me a sound check. How do we sound right now? Am I sounding good? Are we good? Are we chilling? How's it going? Chat, who is here? Igor is first. What's up, Igor? Good afternoon, my Canadian brother. How are you, sir? Sigma's in the chat. What's up, bro? Y'all always early. Yeah, man. Y'all are here before me, I swear. Scott's here with the pickle emoji. Let's go. Short overload, Geo. Yo, Geo, good short, around $75.3 thousand. We could talk about 75.3. We will take a look at it. I will say this. Any levels that are in price discovery are, I don't want to say a guess or a gamble, but we don't know, right? Like, we don't have historic price data to work with. And things, as you will see today, I mean, you probably have already noticed, but I'm going to go over why trading all-time highs, trading price discovery is not as easy as one would think. So we're definitely gonna go over that. Bitcoin Bear, hello, man. How are you? Good afternoon. How are you doing? Dice is in the chat. What's good, fine people of the crypto world? Jason Root says, out of breath. Love the 5-minute intro, getting your cardio in. Hey, man, listen, I'm getting my cardio too. I just finished 3 hours in the gym, plus 45 minutes cardio at the gym. And now we're getting more because your boy's going to Miami in 8 days. And we're trying to get it down. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get it down. Guys, how do I sound? Make sure that let me know that I sound good before I get right into the sauce here. Because you already know every single day I get into the nitty gritty of what the heck is going on with Bitcoin. And today we're going to be talking about, man, where is this thing going? Because Bitcoin doesn't seem to want to stop literally ever. We have a couple of long setups that we gave today. None of them have hit. I mean, one of them was there, but it happened before my VIP stream this morning, so we didn't actually get it. The long setup from yesterday, from the low here, not this guy, the real low, this guy down here, I wasn't there, so I was doing a one-on-one, so I never actually got to take the trade, unfortunately. But hey, it is what it is. We are going to trade every single range. We are going to long, we are going to short until one direction breaks, and we're chilling in either direction, and that is called a long. Shouts out to Jason Casper. Now, guys, I'm not seeing any pickle emojis in the chat right now. I'm not seeing that I can sound good right now. Can y'all tell me, am I sounding good before we get into it here? And then we're going to talk about Bitcoin, but I need a mic check right now. I big time need a mic check right now. I'm spitting all over the place. Damn. All right. I'm going to pretend like we're all good because nobody's telling me we're not good. So we're going to continue on. We're going to keep on keeping on. We are going to carry on. First things first, guys. I did short the exact high once again. I've already taken profit on the short, which is the short that you're seeing in the thumbnail. And I fully expect to get stopped out of the short. Gio, why are you holding the short if you're saying you're fully expecting to get stopped out? Well, because in the event that I don't, in the event that some madness like yesterday happens, then I'll make a lot of money, right? And so it's worth potentially getting stopped out as opposed to not, right? I'd rather make a lot of money than make a little bit of money. I already took profit, so I'm already chilling on that trade. It's already good. We have other setups which are we're currently in one as well. Shouts out to the VIP members. We took the short this morning. We took profit at VWAP. The stop loss was at the entry, but this was the idea. And this idea is still technically in the works. So I'm not in a short again. I'm in the short from the all-time high, basically. I'm not short again. And I'm going to wait to see what happens in this 10-minute order block. If I see what I want to see in this 10-minute order block, and perhaps it'll happen on stream, I will absolutely short again. Gio, are you crazy shorting in the biggest bull market possible? Man, no, because we're going to trade every single range for what it is. Right now, we are in a local range, and this is a level that makes sense to reject from. Should we see the confirmations that we want to see? So we're going to take them. All right, there we go. We got the pickles in there. Here we are. No, you're beautiful. Guys, I look like a caveman right now. I'm going to look a lot better I leave in 8 days, so I'm going to look a lot better in 7 days. But I got to save it. You know what I mean? I got to save it. I sound hot as always. Thank you. Clay the Great's in the chat. What's up, man? Good afternoon. Rahards is here. Bitcoin Bear. How is everybody doing? What's with the 88 leverage? Am I sugarcoating something? Wait, what? What's the significance of 88? But I will tell you this. The reason I upped it to 88, I'm not even joking, is last night. So, okay, let me just say this. Asia lately, you guys know I hate Asia. Not Asia. Not a racist. I don't hate Asians. But I hate the Asian session. I hate it. And as of late, the recurring theme, and I made a tweet about this, is... man, I made tweets about this. I'm like, yo, literally just long Asia, 100x long Asia and be in profit. Okay? Just 100x long Asia, be in profit. That's like what the theme has been lately. Okay, so it's been pretty nutty. Shouts out to Mark Dutch. What's up, bro? How are you? I gotta give you the wrench, bro, but I can't because I have this like overlay. I'll do it later. But shouts out to Mark Dutch. we chat in every other stream. Anyways, so you guys, man, I'm telling you, like the theme lately, no, it doesn't matter which day for the last like 3 months, just 100x long Asia and you're in profit. Now this trend eventually is gonna end because they can't. It's too predictable. They can't do it every time because then everybody will pick up on it. But that just seems to be what's happening. And the reason my leverage is at 88, which is funny. It's funny you say this, bro. I wonder, like, what do you mean by this? Because I'm very curious to know what your like, what are you referring to? Like, what am I sugarcoating? But I will say this. So last night, while Asia was doing their thing, I decided that like my alerts went off. I actually woke up and I was deciding to short whatever. And for whatever reason, I was like, yo, like I was thinking of Back to the Future. I was thinking of Back to the Future. And then I was thinking about when the dog goes like 88 miles per hour and like 1.21 gigawatts. And so I literally moved my leverage to 88x because of that, because they have to go 88 miles per hour. Like that's literally why. Anyways, oh man. Anyways, look, we're going to talk about what is going on here, man. Nothing is keeping Bitcoin down, man. Nothing at all. We're going to talk about it. Let's see here. Bitcoin price keeps moving against MC divergence. It's worthless. Listen, Philip, this is what I will say, man. Yesterday, let me go over this, okay? So, first of all, it's important to understand that all time frames move the exact same. Okay? They all move the exact same. Every time frame moves the same. And when we were here, okay? When we were back here, and I was bearish at 47K, and then we had our bearish change of market structure, okay? I was saying around here, although I was bearish, and although market Cipher B was looking like absolute trash, okay? It looked abysmal here. This, in my mind, had every reason to go down, and it didn't. But I will say this. Every time frame works the exact same. And on the larger term time frame, what happened? We broke structure. Market makers said, screw your structure. Peace out. They said, screw your indicator. Peace out. They said, screw your money flow. Peace out. Screw your anchor wave, trigger wave. Peace out. Screw your spike waves. Peace out. That's exactly what the market makers did, okay? And when we were here, I don't know why my voice keeps like, damn, you guys hearing that? Those cracks? I don't know what's going on. It's like I'm 17 again. Anyways, when we were here, I was saying, yo, they did the same thing here. Look at what they did. They flipped structure bearishly. Okay, so we had up, we had down, we had up, flipped bearish. It looked like garbage. And then they said, nope, screw your structure, screw your indicator, screw your money flow, screw your spike wave, screw your anchor trigger wave. They said, screw you guys, okay? Now, the reason I'm bringing this up to you on a more macro grand scheme of things is because really, every single time frame moves the same. Guys, it's all algorithms. You think market makers are manually pressing long and short? They have their intention for the day, and then they just have like algorithms. They got bots basically opening their orders. It's not manual, right? So once you understand that all time frames move the same, you can learn how to analyze the market based on any time frame, because it's literally all the same. And so, for example, this is how I got so good with market Cipher B, because I watched it on the 1 minute time frame for like so long, and that taught me how the other time frames move. So that's where I got the idea, the notion that all the time frames move the same. Now, the reason I brought that example to you on the more macro grand scheme of things is because we saw the exact same thing happen yesterday. And I'm going to come to a clean chart just to show you. We're going to hide market Cipher B. Forget even market Cipher B for a second. I'm going to come and I'm going to show you that the exact same thing happened yesterday on a local time frame. Okay, on a very short time frame here. What happened? Well, we were talking about how when we came up yesterday in yesterday's stream, We were talking about the push to the upside. Oh, actually, I lied. We're over here. We were talking about how this move to the upside was a weak move, okay? And it was, because this move was not induced by new traders opening up longs, as we saw on exo charts. This move, as we had open interest decreasing and like longs and shorts decrease, was essentially just a short squeeze, okay? There was no follow through here. And while I was seeing this like inching up kind of structure, I was saying, guys, this doesn't look good to me. I don't like the way it looks, and I'm gonna wait for a range to establish, and I'm gonna trade the range. Sure enough, we called this short perfectly in the VIP, and we hit an amazing short. Now, where we bounced from, we'll talk about here in a few minutes, but I want to talk about specifically this structure aspect. Remember, all time frames move the same. What happened here yesterday, okay? Yesterday's 10-minute structure, and I'm gonna skip some points here, but you understand the point. Yesterday's 10-minute structure was up, down, up. Actually, I totally lied. I goofed on that one. Yesterday's 10-minute structure was literally this. It was up and it was straight down. And then it was up. This was your 10-minute structure. This was also your 15-minute structure. This was also your 30-minute structure with closes, by the way. This was also your 1-hour structure. So all of our midterm time frame structures were flipped bearish. At this point, it flipped bearish. Remember, we had our shitty looking range, okay? And then depending on where you draw it from, you get the idea. We had a bearish breakout structure. The only time frame, okay? The only time frame that flipped bullish at this point, and I let my members know, by the way, here I said 5-minute structure flipped bullish after tapping a 2-hour order block. We're going to talk about that 2-hour order block here in a second. But the 5-minute did flip bullish. So could you have been looking for longs? Absolutely, you could. However, when the higher term time frames start to flip bearish, okay, especially after we took the high again, right? It's saying, all right, maybe we're going to get an actual move, a real move to the downside, and maybe we're going to stay down. So the 5-minute structure, despite your 15-minute structure basically being straight down, and then anything that you would be putting here would be a lower high for then a lower low, right? This is expectational order flow on every single time frame, on the 10, 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hour, on every time frame. This was the expectational order flow. However, the only clue that we had was that the 5-minute structure, which I updated it, like I said, was down, was up, down, up, down, up, down, and then broke bullishly. Okay. Now we did have a nice retest. Okay. We had a nice retest of our range-based demand. Okay. Range-based demand at the low. And so we had to move to the upside. Fine. Here was your confirmation. Excuse me. Day 1 million of me sneezing in your guys' ear. Listen, this was our confirmation really that, hey, we might actually come up higher and we might actually come for the high. Once we broke 5-minute structure again, continuing higher, we were saying, all right, now it's more probable than not that we're going to actually come up to take the highs. And sure enough, we did overnight. So if you were vigilant, if you were in the Discord yesterday, and yesterday we were just doing a scalping session, like we shorted, we longed, like we were chilling yesterday for like 2-3 hours. We were doing a basically scalping session. But this was the only indication that things flipped bullish yesterday. And the reason I bring this to your attention is because, like I just showed you on the grander scheme thing of on the larger picture of it, on every other time frame except for the 5-minute and down, things flipped bullish. And what did the market makers do? What did Asia do? Asia said, fuck your structure, screw your money flow, screw your spike waves, screw this, screw that. And so really, it's been a little bit difficult to trade this kind of range. Now, listen, this is what we do every time. We're going to get our key levels and we're going to take the trades only when we hit our key levels, okay? Because this is how you're going to stop getting wrecked. But this just goes to show you right now in this extremely macro, in this extremely bullish sentiment market that we have going on, yeah, man, like it goes to show you that it's not easy. And trading all times highs is not as easy, right? Like I always preach, okay, find your range, and you could do this on any time frame, but find your range, you know, look for shorts at the highs, look for longs at the lows. And it's been hard. It has been hard, okay? And I think anybody that day trades, anybody that scalps can agree that it hasn't been the easiest market to trade in, especially when we have these big dumps, these big wicks, and then they just get bought up in 1 second, and the range just looks weird. Like, if we were gonna consider this to be our macro range, you can see that we're not actually getting any range like behavior. So you can't really be looking at this range anymore because it's not a range anymore, right? They give you this fake. Anyways, so it's been rough. Okay, it's been hard for both. I mean, for the longs, it's been relatively easy, but we trade both ways. Now, where did we bounce off of yesterday, and why did we bounce off of yesterday? Well, very first thing that we need to know is we had a nice 4-hour order block down here at the lows, which was absolutely a valid order block. Okay, this was absolutely a valid order block. But not only did we have a 4-hour order block, we could have actually refined that even further and seen this 2-hour order block. Okay, so yesterday's short that we took, yesterday's SFP short that we took from the high, when we came down here, you best your ass believe that I took profit at this order block. So we're chilling. You know, we were chilling yesterday. I didn't get the long because I was in a one-on-one. But if you took my order blocks boot camp, if you knew what was going on here, and you started to see a very strong reaction off of that level, that key level, guys, all you need is order blocks, I'm telling you. But once you started to see a very strong reaction out of that zone, you could have absolutely just hit the long button and chilled, you know, and you could have hit it anywhere. Like, you don't need to catch the exact wick. You know, you could have caught the retest. You could have caught, just watch market cipher at that point. When money flow is getting that thick, that quick, after hitting a key zone, and your 1 minute structure breaks bullishly, why not hit the long button? But again, I was in my one-on-one session, so it didn't happen for me, and that's completely okay. But we did end up shorting this morning, potentially an SFP. And as I mentioned, I do fully expect to get stopped out again. I do expect to get for them to come and take the highs. And we're going to talk about market cipher now. But before we talk about market cipher real quick, let me just check what the chat is saying. Dice wants the wrench. Let's go, baby. I'll give you the wrench. No worries. Clay the Great says you ain't lying. Gio, what's up, crypto girly? How you doing? How you doing, baby girl? How are you? Trading ETH right now is better than Bitcoin. I actually haven't even been watching it because, you know what? Like, Bitcoin is up and dominance is up. But soon, it's going to be time to look at alts. I mean, it's kind of already time to look at alts, to be honest. But not, like, the main time yet, in my opinion. Rendell's in the chat. What's up, brother? Good afternoon. Bird next door with the money emoji. Let's get it. Sky Chima, what's up, bro? How you been? Haven't been in VIP much. What did we kill in the gym today? I'm going to do for the next week. I'm doing 2 days. So today I did chest and tries and I did legs. And I'm walking more. Like, we're going hard, okay? I'm going to Miami in 8 days. Like, we're going hard AF. AF. CT says, go, Gio, go. Hey, go, Gio, go. You like that video? That's funny, man. Discord notifications absolutely refuse to acknowledge you. Why, bro? Okay, we got to look into that. And you don't get YouTube notifications for the next day? Yeah, we got to look into these notification things. Jungle Boy says, okay, bro, post ETF. Why these crazy 3K up, then 2K down? This isn't normal. Normal is like $1,000. We used to freak out about that. Let me answer this question for you, bro. I'm going to tell you this. That, like I said, I mean, the ETF has made it a little bit difficult because it seems like it's way more up and then way more down. But I'll tell you this, bro. You need to understand that your price, your percentages, your price, your dollar amount is relative to where you are. So the reason why we're getting 3K up and 2K down is because we're at $70,000, $73,000. So what's $3,000 now is only like a 4% move, where before, when we were getting $1,000 moves, let's just say back down at like 38K, when you're getting $1,000, that's a 3% move, you know? $1,500 is a 4% move. So it's all relative, right? It's all percentages. And that's why I encourage you not to actually focus on the dollar amount. Like, at the end of the day, if someone put a gun to my head 20 minutes ago and asked me what the price of Bitcoin is, I have literally no idea. I have no clue because I don't care about the price. I can tell you where Bitcoin is in its range, but we just trade every single range the same, and we trade it based on percentages. So it doesn't matter if Bitcoin goes up or down 2 or 3,000. What matters is if Bitcoin goes up 2 or 3%. And it's all relative to where you are in terms of price. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see here. You love donors. So annoying, bro. Joe, professor of the chart. Joe, can I explain trading the VWAP or refer to a resource? You haven't heard that with two different traders, but you've seen it. I will do a VWAP video. Essentially, I like the VWAP. Let me tell you, I like the VWAP. I like the VWAP better than the EMAs because the VWAP is a static like level. I mean, it's dynamic, but it's the same across all time frames. Whereas your EMAs are contingent on whatever time frame you're on. So basically, your VWAP stands for volume weighted average price, and it essentially acts as just a dynamic support and resistance line that institutions use. You know, institutions use the VWAP. They are typically looking to sell above the VWAP and buy below the VWAP. And that's essentially all it is. And you can see, like, we get reactions around and close to the VWAP. When we are trading at the VWAP like this, you don't typically want to be trading, right? When you're away from the VWAP, you can trade towards the VWAP, right? In anticipation, and then maybe reject from it. So you could have gotten that. Like this short, I believe, was the one that we got yesterday. We shorted up here, 71.6, and we got out at like 70.6 or something, right? So I'll make a video on it though. Where's Randy? Randy hates me. Bitcoin is Wall Street's bit. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely becoming more mainstream. Crypto Sam says, bro, why don't you take some profits? If I think I'm going to get stopped out, then why not take out half? You know how Tino does. Crypto Sam, I already did take profits, bro. I took profits down here. So I shorted up here and I took profits somewhere around here. Around 70, let's say 72.2 or 72.3. So I already, and I took profits at the VWAP also. So I did take profits, bro. I did. But whatever might happen right now, we don't know. And I mean, this is technically a short zone, and I want to see what happens at the 10-minute order block. And my entry is over here, somewhere here. So if I get stopped out, so be it. But there's a lot more reward than the little bit of risk that I potentially have on. These wicks are not normal. We used to freak out about 1K. Yeah, that we already covered. Am I gonna be live streaming from Miami? I don't know. You know what? Like, I really don't know. I might. Maybe I'll do one stream, but yeah, maybe I'll do one stream, but we'll see. And if I do a stream, it'll probably be in the Discord, and it probably will not be a TA stream. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. Did I listen to Bubble Michael Taylor recent song, kind of Bull Run theme song? Wait, did I listen to the Lil Bubble Michael? I thought you were asking me about Michael Bublé. No, I did not listen to whatever song that is. How can you buy at the top? You don't. Disclaimer. Okay, thank you, Bitcoin Bear. Thank you for the reminder. Guys, listen. I'm going to tell you something right now. Let me just say it. Disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio, that is I, is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And the earth is flat. And by the way, in case you don't know, let me just say this. I am on a treadmill right now. Jason Casper invented treadmills, but not only that, he also invented walking. And I pay him royalties for every single step that I take. And I pay him in Bitcoin. So man, these steps are getting expensive. Shouts out to Jay. All right, you should Mark says you should always think in percentages. Yeah, man, always. Dr. J, what's up, bro? You've been loving the anchored VWAPs. I will tell you this, man. I don't use anchored VWAPs, but I think I'm gonna I mean, I think I should learn how to use it. Shouts out to Alexa. What's up, bro? How do we adjust the price range? Low leverage, low position. How do we adjust the price range? Well, when you do it based on the actual price action, right? So, I mean, I don't know if this is what you're referring to, but let's just say you have a 5-minute range like this, then you're going to adjust your time frames to see that. And then if price starts to do this, then you're going to move your price. You're going to move your range like this, like it's going to get bigger. You got to just like look at the price action. Guys, I'm a very big like price action trader, you know? That's why right now I'm not shorting, even though we're in a short zone. I'm not going to just short. I'm going to wait to see the confirmations that I want to see, right? Cater says, your Discord link says it's expired. You cannot join, brother. Okay, let me see if I can. Let's get you a link. Get you the link. Here you go, bro. I'm gonna have to change it. There you go. That's how you can join right there. She hates you. What happened? No, she doesn't actually. I mean, maybe she does. I don't know. I don't think she actually does, but maybe she does. What happened, bro? You were so in there. She doesn't actually. It's like, okay, you know what kind of hate it is? It's like when, you know, in like kindergarten, when you like have a crush on somebody and then you're like mean to them. It's like that kind of hate. Like, it's not actually hate. Appreciate it, bro. Stay safe in Miami, but have fun. Thank you, man. Listen, you guys will know everything that I'm doing because I'm very, like, I share everything. Especially in the Discord. Like, you guys will get to see it. You guys will get to see it. What I'll be doing. I'm going to have some, I'm going to have some crazy thing. There are 69 420 genders to that disclaimer for the Transformers. That's funny, man. That's funny. Greta Thunberg is a legitimate source. God bless you, Cater. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. Jess says I've been on fire in the VIP. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I got a really nice testimonial today. All right, so let's zoom in right now, okay? Because I want to actually start doing some more. I want to start doing some more scalp. Ooh, this is a good song. Hold on. If you think that I won't tell you, stay on my mind. I'm gonna change my intro after Miami, so this might be one of them. This might be one of them. Fun fact, Jason stole the treadmill from Toro's Crypto. I didn't even know that. I did not even know that. Not at all. Interesting. I wonder if they call him a copy of Toro's Crypto the way that they call me a copy of him. How many calories? So I just got off the treadmill in the gym and I just burned 300 calories. And now, I mean, I don't think this thing is right. This thing says 165 calories. There's no way that I did 165 calories in 36 minutes. Absolutely no way. This thing is definitely wrong. Anyways, it is what it is. Okay, so let's go real quick. Let's talk about Market Cipher on the macro real quick. And then we'll kind of zoom in and maybe we'll get a couple scalps in right now because I am going to potentially short if I see something that I want to short. So I'll tell you this right now. Market Cipher B on the daily time frame. I mean, we got thick money flow. We already know that these guys have been absolutely ignoring all divergences, right? We've had spike wave after divergence after money wave, whatever, right? Daily doesn't really show us like anything that great. However, the 12-hour is a good indication of what the daily is going to do. Guys, shouts out to CryptoFace. CryptoFace made a video like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, saying basically this is the same signal that happens every 4 cycles, once every 4 years, and it's basically an up and sideways only signal. And so far, I will tell you that it has been up and sideways only. So shouts out to CryptoFace, the creator of the indicator, the absolute GOAT. Shouts out to Market Cipher as well, but it's been up and the 12-hour looks bullish AF. So my bias in the Discord as of late has always been, not always, that's a lie, but as of late has been, yo guys, we need to try to hit every single long that we can because we know that we can continuously come and continue to come and take the all-time highs. And we already know that Asia as of lately has been, hey, just 100x on Asia Open and you're good, right? Is that going to last forever? Absolutely not. Is this going to last for forever? Absolutely not. But I also made an update for my VIP members saying, yo, it was around here. It was around like, I don't know, maybe around like 3 days ago, Thursday or Friday. And I'm like, guys, the 6-hour, like I was hammering the 6-hour on them. I'm like, guys, the 6-hour looks bullish AF. And I would still say that it looks bullish AF. You know, we got thick money flow, and the number one rule is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And so right now, what I would be expecting for Bitcoin, should we get a pullback, we are absolutely going to be looking for longs. And I got some long levels ready to go, right? But over time, what we can expect to see on the 6-hour time frame, and this is going to take a couple weeks, a month maybe. But over time, we would want to see money flow starting to come down for the shorts. So maybe we do something like this. Maybe we range a little bit, which is what I kind of projected as well. I think that March and April is not going to be very up. I think it's going to be sideways. And so far, I mean, look, Bitcoin is going up. I'm not saying it's not. But we're not really breaking out. I mean, we're taking the high and then we're just chilling. And then we're taking the high and then we're ranging. And then we're SFPing the high, coming back a little bit, and then coming back up slowly. Like, we're not really breaking out. You know, we're not getting 5%, 10%, 20% moves. So, eventually, I do think that we're going to start to range. even if it's on a bigger time frame. And I do think that this is possible, and I do think that this is a good place to start ranging. And then what we could potentially see on the 6-hour time frame, because it looks bullish AF, I'm not saying it doesn't, but over time, as money starts to come out, when we get one of these green dots, which would probably be a cheat sheet entry somewhere down the line, we could probably expect your momentum wave to do something like this, where it gives you like a divergence. Like the waves will do this. Man, it's hard to do this on the right. So money flow would be coming down. Your momentum waves would be giving you basically a spike wave. And then at some point, and this is not based on time, I'm just drawing a picture here. Please understand, I'm not projecting the time. It's very hard to know when this is going to happen. But potentially, you know, we range, and then we get like a hump here, and then like a high like that. And this is where, for example, potentially a strong move to the downside could happen. And it's really just based around the number one rule when it comes to market cipher, which in my opinion is the number one rule. I am the one that created it. But the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. You can see here on the 6-hour time frame, we got very thick money flow. So can we say they can't come and take the high again? Absolutely not. And that's why I'm saying, guys, my short can get stopped out very easily. I'm not saying that it can't. But in the event that we do come back down, it'll be a better reward than me just closing out right now and taking profit. Because I already took profit. We already shorted yesterday, right? But the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences until the 6-hour time frame starts to show us some real bearish movement or some money flow coming out, then, you know, we can continue to expect higher. Okay? And while I do absolutely think that the entire crypto market is off their bananas, okay, while I absolutely think everybody is way too bullish with good reason, I mean, we've been straight up, I do think that people are not remembering what is eventually going to happen and what is eventually possible, right? So hey, maybe I'm crazy for not being bullish enough. And don't get me wrong, look at the 12-hour. Like, this looks bullish AF. Okay, it looks bullish. I'm not saying it doesn't, but I'm also aware that where we came from, like, look at how could you not be a little bit scared when you see this on the daily time frame? We've had 0 retracements on the daily time frame since January. It has literally been 2 months of 0 retracements. And so knowing this, you know, I opt to take a little bit of a cautious approach. Nonetheless, we're going to trade every single range. But until that money flow starts pouring out here on the 6-hour time frame, this ain't going down. You know, you could go down a little bit like we did yesterday. We could maybe start to range here, like I said, right? We might start to range here. But we're not going to come down until we start to see money really pouring out of on the 6-hour time frame. I need a refund on those royalties. Yeah, I gotta let him know. Bitcoin Bear is gonna short 73.5. Let's see if we get up there, man. Jess says final like the stream. Let's go. Nah, Toros has 13k subs and isn't as handsome as JC. What's the speed? Sounds right if elevated, but it's not elevated. Also, yeah, it doesn't even know my weight. Which, by the way, in case anybody was asking, which you didn't, we're at 141.4 right now, down 8 pounds. Getting ready for Miami, man. I'm telling you guys, weigh-in is in like 1 week. Drew says, what up, homie? Been super busy. Glad you caught the stream. That 10-minute you're talking about is range-based supply. It is not. It is pivot-based supply. So we'll see what happens up there, right? It's our pivot zone. It is our pivot zone. Right up here. And it's actually looking like we had a little bit of inducement on it. And it's looking like, you know, we're getting somewhat of a reaction. So we'll see. I will be a lot more confident in my shorts if we start to lose the VWAP. You know, and then we can look for lower, right? Because there are levels beneath us that we can be looking out for as well. Because we are potentially just going to be longing, or we're going to be trading the range. All right, Solana is going to be at a short level soon. Yes, Solana hit its weekly order block or daily order block. I'm not going to check Solana right now, but it did hit a macro level of resistance, and it did hit 150 exactly as we projected that it would. We will see what happens. Alpha Farmer says, bruh, it is a bull market. Absolutely, man. And hey, Bitcoin is doing things that we've never seen before, so that's kind of crazy. You know, it's kind of wild. And don't get me wrong, like I said, Bitcoin doesn't seem to want to go down at all, but I'm going to trade every single range. And so if I can short the top and make, 50%, why not? I'm going to trade every single range that we possibly can. Ascending triangle, geo. Yeah, you guys know I don't use the shapes, man. Do I think all this could just be to turn the bearish or the bearish bear bullish right before it absolutely rips down? You know what, man? I don't know, bro. I don't know, because this is where I'm at with the whole market right now. I'm gonna tell you, this is where I'm at. Look, this is my problem. This is what I'm oh wow, here we go. Shouts out to Tom Crown, is also on the treadmill. Guys, go check out Tom Crown. Tom Crown thinks we're going to 100K. And maybe he's right. I don't know. Trading all-time highs is hard, man. But I'll tell you this, bro. This is where I'm at, okay? The cycle is broken. Undeniably, the cycle is broken, okay? We hit an all-time high before the halving. Historically, we've had a retracement pre-halving, and then post-halving, we fly away, okay? That's historically. Now, currently, that cycle is broken, okay? So we have not actually seen this before. Not only did we blow through all the levels, we blew through the golden pocket, we blew through the 786, we blew through every thesis we may have had as to why, oh, this time won't be different, this time won't be different. The truth is, it is different. This time it is different. It's not different because of the ETF. I don't care about that. It's different because the price did something differently. Maybe it did something differently because of the ETF, fine. But price did something differently, so it's different. I'm a technical trader. I trade on the candles. I don't care about the news. I literally do not care in the slightest. I don't care about the ETFs. Don't care. What's happening is what's happening. And so here's where this is what I'm thinking, okay? Everybody and their mother is very bullish. And again, with good reason. Here we are at $72,927, you know? If you've been long from way lower, congratulations, right? But this is what I'm thinking. The cycle being broken is good and bad. It's good because it opens the door to exciting things that could happen, right? But it's also bad because we do not have data now. All of our previous data is out the window. So we can't, it's hard to speculate what's going to happen in the macro grand scheme of things moving forward, in my opinion, because the cycle's broken. So all of the historic data that we've had to reference is gone. And so maybe, to answer your question, I don't know what's going to happen. Market Cipher right now suggests that this is not going to happen anytime soon, right? Where the bearish bear turns bullish. Maybe the bearish bear, wait for the bare necessities. Maybe the bearish bear will turn bullish at 100K. So maybe we keep going up until then or whatever, right? But my fear is because the cycle is broken, what if the halving is actually bearish? And you can't say, look, everybody talks about the supply and demand thing, and yeah, that's true. You know, when there's, like, it's basic economics. When there's low supply, the price goes up, right? The demand increases, price goes up. And when you have the supply, you're gonna have it, then you would expect more, right? Like there's even less supply. But again, I trade based on what I see on the charts. I don't trade on that stuff. And so, yeah, the supply and demand thing, sure. But there have been reasons in the past why things were bullish and it didn't play out that way. You know, I'm in the camp. I trade like I try to trade like a market maker, but I approach the markets in a market maker perspective. And in my opinion, if the market makers want to send the price down to recover this very overextended daily time frame leg, I don't think anybody can disagree that this is like, we have zero retracements since January. I think that if market maker wanted to send price down to 53K, for example, then they absolutely could, with or without your ETFs and your supply theories and everything else. That's what I believe. So we'll see. We will see how it goes. Am I Italian? I am not Italian. You're shorting Gio's weight, 50x levers. That's funny. Tom Powell, let's go. 100K incoming. Are there any more boot camps coming? Yeah, so I'm probably gonna do not probably, I'm going to eventually do an exo charts, you know, vector candles and vector candles and vector candles and exo charts, basically a smart money boot camp, but that will be after Miami. That will be after Miami. Mr. Best says, can I show / share my VWAP settings on TradingView? Yeah, man, it's very basic settings. It's nothing at all. Like, just double click the thing, turn off the band 2 and band 3. I don't use those. Just band 1. Turn off the background for it, because there's probably here the bands fill should be off. You know, this, and then just VWAP alone is I just have it on green on this one setting, but you know, and so you guys can see, like, we're getting some, I mean, we haven't touched the VWAP, but you can see that VWAP acts as a dynamic support and resistance level. Rahard says, I heard institutions are buying more than 1,000 Bitcoin every day. Miners are only mining 900. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So that's the whole supply and demand theory, right? But I am absolutely 100% unequivocally in the camp of, hey, if they wanted to rip price down, they can do it. This is what I believe. Don't think that they can't, because they can, in my opinion. Guys, smash the like button. Shout out to Swar Barzani. Guys, listen, I got 4 boot camps, okay? I got 4 boot camps. Market Cipher, market structure, key zones, and order blocks and liquidity. And, oh, this is a good song. And every 100 likes on stream, I do a giveaway for you guys. We currently have 57 likes, 161 people, and every single day, by the way, let me introduce myself to you. If you are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Gio. I am 5'2" 3/4. I am a non-financial advisor and also a wannabe singer. But more importantly than that, every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And I bring smart money concepts to you in real time. So, smash the like button if you haven't already. Do me a solid. 160 of you. That means 100 of you don't like me, or don't like my face, or don't like my voice, or don't like me on the treadmill. One of the 4 or 5. So do me a solid. Hit the like button. It not only supports me for free, but you will be entered to win a boot camp, which is over 3 hours of premium content, which is going to teach you guys exactly what I'm looking for. How did I find this zone? Order blocks, my friends. Key zones, my friends. Market structure, my friends. And so we'll see what happens here. Smash the like button for me. And while we're here, this is the first and last time I'm going to shill my stuff this stream. Just like hitting the like button is a free way to support me in the channel, and I very much appreciate it. You can also support me by signing up to my MEXC link. The link is in the description down below. It is the cheapest exchange on fees, and just like many people in the VIP Discord yesterday when we were scalping up and scalping down, you know, those low fees can really help you out. And of course, the sponsor of the channel, shouts out to Market Cipher. Discount code is TraderGeo. Affiliate link, the link is in the description down below. And of course, as always, I appreciate everybody that's doing so. All right, let's check CVD. Let's check exo charts. I want to see what's going on right now. Let us find out what's going on right now. So right now, currently, we have CVD on a decline, okay? CVD is declining here over time. We know, or it's not CVD rather, open interest is declining, okay? We know that the market maker's job is to increase open interest. What is open interest? Open interest is essentially you, retail. Can you guys not hear any music? You guys should be able to hear music. You guys couldn't hear music this whole time? You guys can't hear that? No, you guys definitely should be able to hear that. You guys definitely should be able to. So, we know that the market maker's job is to increase open interest, right? His job is to have you, retail, open up positions, right? And that's why we range. Guys, we don't range for any reason that retail teaches you, okay? Retail says, after we get a pump, we start to range because we need to give the RSIs a chance to reset. No. We range because it will induce liquidity. It basically injects, that's a better word. It injects liquidity into the market. People think we're going to continue higher. so they long here and they put their stop loss there. People think we're going lower, so they short here and they put their stop loss there. All ranges does is give you or inject liquidity. That is why they do it. No other reason. That is why. Okay. And so when we're watching open interest, we are seeing if they are doing their job. Are they injecting liquidity? Are they getting you to inject liquidity in the market? And if the answer is no, then they will do something to change your mind, right? If people are 50-50, what do? They spike price up, get people to long, and then they rip it back down. Continue to range. Then they do the same in the other direction. They spike it low, get people to short, start to range. That's why SFPs happen. Okay? So what happened at these highs? Essentially, we had a lot of longs coming in, but at the same time that longs came in, we had open interest declining. So what's actually happening? What's actually happening? If we open up our net longs, you can see while we hit the highs this morning, all that we really had was a bunch of longs, a bunch of people closing their longs. Okay? We did not have shorts coming in. Not really. So this is not the strongest move to the downside. Definitely not. We did not have shorts come in. We had a bunch of longs close at the highs, and that's why we got our kind of ugly move to the downside here. Okay? Nothing more, nothing less. And so what could we potentially expect to happen? Because we know that the market makers are here to get you to commit your liquidity. They're probably just going to continue ranging here. Look at this. Green vector candle. Green vector candle. Wick to the high. Almost in the order block where we were looking to short. I'm still in my short. Almost in the order block, but green wick to the high. Inducing traders, retail, you guys, to market long. Me too, I'm retail also. To market long, only to then rip the price down. They are injecting liquidity into the market. This is why we range. Okay? What happens next? Red vector candle to the downside. Market or retail is market shorting in this red vector candle. Now price is coming up. These guys that shorted the bottom of the candle are underwater right now. What is this effectively doing? This is what I teach you guys every day. Why does the market move the way that it does? We are injecting liquidity. That's it. And it is our job to identify where the liquidity is and identify how the markets are moving. Why are the markets moving this way? Shouts out to Spawn, the Bitcoin overlord. As long as the trend lives, no reason whatsoever to be bearish in your opinion. Plus, basic supply and demand dynamics, I think, are quite important. You know what, bro? If you are long and you are strong, I wish everybody that's long the best, man. 100%. You know, I do think that we got a lot more gas to go. As I mentioned, the 6 hour, guys, this is a good time frame to analyze on, and this is bullish AF. You know, there's nothing bearish on the 6 hour time frame. So could we continue way higher? We absolutely 100% can. But that's why it doesn't matter. We're going to trade every single range for what it is. And when we're the motto is win big, or win small, lose small, and win big. You know, we don't want big losses. We want small wins. We want small losses and big wins. And when we trade this way and we take profit like I did, and then I hold the rest, I am opening the door for myself to win big by holding it. And that's it, you know? So we're going to do that. Rahard says, boot camps are fire. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it. Any altcoin setup, boss? I'm not really looking at altcoins today, but maybe we will do altcoins tomorrow. Jess says, if you don't like the stream, it means you hate making money. Let's go. You're short. What is my price target? I mean, I already took profit. I don't like, it depends, man. It depends. I have a couple scalp setups that I'll be looking at that I gave my my VIP members earlier today. But I think my first take profit would be this liquidity. You know, we got some money here under these lows. We also have, I believe, a 15-minute order block down at like 70,000. So nothing crazy, you know, we're at 73. Like, it's not that wild, especially if we lose the VWAP, to say we're going to get a 2% move, 3% move, especially with how much we've been, like, you know, how wild the moves have been lately, you know. So I don't know if I'm going to take, I'd probably take profit below this wick. Like, not probably, I would take profit below this wick here at 71. And then I would really be targeting this low. And then we'll be looking for longs here, whether it's an SFP of this low or whether we tag into this order block here. I will absolutely be looking for longs. I just can't long the high of a range. Like, I'm not longing up here. There's no way. And so if it keeps going higher, which it could, as I mentioned on the 6-hour time frame, it looks very bullish. Then if we start to range up here, then I'll just trade this range the same way I'm trading this range, right? Because price doesn't matter. It's all about the percentages. Messenger Prophecy says, smash the like button. Guys, hit the like button. How many likes are we at right now? We got 184 people in here. Only 80 likes. So 100 people, 100 of you guys don't like me. Or don't like the boot camps you guys getting the boot camps for free. One of the two, one of the three. Smoking out the window. Me. All right, Gio burping up the protein shake. Let's go. I want to do yo, shouts out to David. High hopes came in on Walmart yesterday. Couldn't help but relate it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Do I see a good short from 75.3? Man, the thing is like, and I've been very open about this. Trading price discovery, like I have no way to tell you any levels up here. Because I'm a very like market structure based trader. So, you know, what people are doing right now, which full disclosure, I don't know how to do it properly. I'm telling you, I don't know. But really the only way to get targets that I know of anyway is to use the fib extension thingy. And I don't use the fib extension thingy. And I don't know if I'm even doing it right, but I know you need to do like from like a swing high to a swing low and then the current like swing high or something. I don't really know how to do it. How do I do this? Would I go down up or up down? Like maybe from like this low. Is this how you do it? Like I'm not trolling. I actually don't know how to do this. What is it, like from this low to this high and then like that? Like, is this how you do it? So like 1.4, like that's really the only way that I know. So what I do if we're in price discovery, which I was not this good of a trader during the last price discovery 2.5 years ago, 3 years ago. But I will just trade the range. So I don't really know, to be honest with you. I have no data to work with. Couldn't tell you. Shouts out to Score. No, you no longer give the digits for the VIP. No, sir. The VIP code was quite some time ago. Quite some time ago. Hi, Trader Gio. If you were making good money, then what do you need VIP service for paid? Well, at the end of the day, it's a service, and I got to be fair to myself. And actually, it's not even about the money. You get access to my network, which is fire, and something that I built. And not just that. Like, ever since the VIP became paid, it's way better. Like, the vibes in there are way better. The energy in there is way better. And the truth is people were kind of taking advantage of when it was free. It was definitely not what it is today. And so making it paid, not about the money, but making it paid, was the best idea that I made, that I had, honestly. And it's because of what it turned into, you know? It's because of what it turned into. I'm a very personable person. I like to get to know you guys. I like to chat with you guys. Not only do I give a lot more content in there, not only am I in there all the time and we do live streams and VIP updates 10 times a day. You know, yesterday I posted like, how many times did I post yesterday? Like I posted, what day is today? 11. Like I posted like 20 times yesterday. So not only do you get a lot more, but you get access to the network, especially when crypto specifically is the biggest scam industry, the least personable thing. Everybody in here has stupid fake cartoon emojis and doesn't show their face. And I don't stand for that, man. I don't like that. I want to know who I'm talking to. You guys see me every day. I want to know who I'm talking to. And so you get access to that and you get access to all the good vibes. Plus, let's keep it 100. If you could do this, and I'm not saying you can't, but you would do it too. Like, why not get X amount more per month? Why not? If you could do it, you would. So I don't think anybody can hate for that. Dice says, nothing in life is free, bro. Yeah, we're gonna do a live trading scalping session with the VIPs. I'm actually creating a VIP channel today. a scalping channel. A scalping channel. I wonder who's gonna win this giveaway. Let's go, Sigma. I'm rooting for you, bro. I am rooting for you. Thank you for explaining you want a boot camp. A booty camp. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Of course you do. Trend-based fibs. Bro, I don't know how to use them. I've never used them. What about spider lines? So spider lines are an interesting topic, okay? Spider lines. I mean, guys, listen. There are ways, you know, people use support and resistance. People, whatever, right? And for spider lines specifically, I don't use them. I don't use them. Not to say that they don't work, but all they are basically support and resistance lines. Like, they're nothing fancy. Now, I don't know how CryptoFace does it. Personally. I know he takes it from, like, the bear market. I don't know if he does it on the daily or the weekly. I don't really know how he does it. But essentially, all they are support and resistance lines. I think he does it on the daily. So, like, for example, I'll just draw one. Let me get my ray tool. I'll get one. So, let's just say you draw it from, like, here to, like, here, right? Let's say he does it like that. You can see that it's just a support and resistance line. You know, so yeah, we rejected perfectly off of it this time. Came up, came back to retest. You know, what might happen in the future, nobody knows. But it's essentially just a support. It's no different than drawing support and resistance, like trend lines, rather. No different. So they work. I mean, when you're there and you get the reaction, you can't sit here and say that it doesn't work. But I don't use them personally. I do not use them. Boobies on Solana, yeah. Shouts out to Swar Barzani, says the VIP is worth every penny. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I'm glad that you think that. Dice says, would you work for free? Yeah, I mean, that's kind of thing. Rahart says, Gio puts a lot of time in the VIP. Yeah, man, I really do. Gio's VIP is a cool lobby, even though your subscription dropped because of some WAP error. Is it? Bro, you got to open up a ticket, bro. You got to let us know those things. You got to let us know. Yes, actually, Salmon. Yes, you will. So, I'm hoping before I go to Miami that the website will be launched. And, there is going to be a monthly option, a quarterly option, and a yearly option. But that's going to be probably in the next week or so. Hopefully, if I can get the website out by the time. Because we're moving off of WAP. We're getting off of WAP. We're getting off of WAP. Oh, this is a great song. Show them your testimony. Okay, this is a good look, guys. Look. I have a testimonial page here for VIP, okay? Shouts out to Alexa here. Alexa. Shouts out to him, man, because this and I replied here and this testimonial really made my month, man. I can't thank you enough, bro. Like, it's not even just because it was a very positive testimonial. And I'm transparent, guys. Like, I left a testimonial myself on behalf of another member, okay? Some other member was like, yo, this is a scam. Look at this. I want to show you guys that I'm objective. Like, I remain transparent. I think it's important to remain transparent. Wow, it's funny. I just said that. Yesterday, I had a member come at me, calling me a scammer. Said all I do is copy-paste Jay's levels. Pretty comical if you ask me. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. He opted to leave, okay? So I keep it 100, right? I want to read this testimonial because it really touched me. As of today, as today is my last day for the first month of VIP here, I can give everyone good insight of what you can find here. First of all, I am new to trading. Started back in October last year. People in the VIP are very friendly. By the way, this is the network that I am referring to, okay? Everybody in crypto is scammy. Everybody in crypto is fake. Everybody in crypto doesn't show their face, and there's no personalities. I've put my face here every single day, and I've gotten to know you guys. I know everybody in the VIP. I don't even need to see your names. I can hear your voice, and I know, oh, Kenny, that's you. Oh, Adrian, that's you. I know you guys by names, by real names. You know, like, it's a personable network that you're getting access to. Anyways, people in the VIP are very friendly and help as much as they can. I say that because when I type something in there and I'm wrong, people don't start arguments and they're like, are you done? Are you dumb, motherfucker? No, they're like, sir, that thing you're looking at is not right. You made a mistake here. You made a mistake there. And you've made some good friends. Added them to your friends list. Very good people, traders. etc. As for Gio, I just want to say he is, first of all, a solid dude. As everyone could see, he is very friendly and engaging individual, probably 3 times here in VIP. He will answer any questions that you have. I answer questions all the time, guys. He has answer questions anytime. Oh my God, where am I? Where am I? I lost my place. He will answer questions anytime that you have. Even when I ask stupid questions, which by the way, there are no stupid questions. He always makes the time to explain everything in such detail. As of his trading skills, I'm very positive in them. Not only does he give the trade setups on a regular basis, as he said previously, he gives a shit ton of knowledge that could be charged way more. So guys, I'm giving lessons in there as well. You know, I do like Q&As. I do anyways, I do teaching as well. Like I basically teach the boot camp in real time. Look, that's it. If you guys want to check out the testimonial, you guys can go and check it out yourself. But thank you very much, bro. That testimonial, man, really made my day, man. And so to answer that question earlier of like, oh, if I don't need the money, if I had it open, if the VIP became that because I made it paid. Whereas before it was just everybody and everybody was welcome. And man, when it's a premium product, like there's more value to it. It's way better, man. Way better. How much is the VIP? It's $30 a month. Guys, smash the like button if you want me to do the giveaway here. We have 103. Okay, we're good. We hit the level that we want. Not the level. We hit the likes that we want. I guess the level that we wanted to. So we'll be doing a giveaway here. Will the website have the order block indicator? I'm working on it, bro. I'm working on it. Joe says that was an awesome testimonial. Yeah, man. It was really good. It was a really good. I'm gonna disturb Charant after his. No, do not disturb Charant. Charant is no longer a moderator. Open up a ticket and we will take care of you. I will take care of you myself. AZTV says just buy Ondo. Ondo is for the rich, XRP is for the poor. We'll do an altcoin stream tomorrow. I want to see what's going to happen with Bitcoin today. Maybe we'll do an alt stream tomorrow. Because I think that alts will... I mean, if Bitcoin ranges, alts will be able to move. So perhaps we'll be able to do that tomorrow. We've already been live for an hour, though, and I got to make some videos for you guys. I got to get some videos in the bank. So we're going to do the giveaway. And then we are going to say ta-ta for now. Let's see what happens at these levels. So Bitcoin, I mean, we're not even tapping the VWAP. It's pretty bullish, okay? Pretty bullish. We'll see what happens here. I'm probably going to get stopped out on the short. I'm telling you guys that. But in the event that I don't, we'll see what happens. All right, guys. This is what we're going to do for the giveaway. One day you'll love me again. Here's what we're going to do. As I give you the instructions on what we're going to do for the giveaway, I'm going to encourage you all to watch open interest. Because remember, open interest is down right now. It's likely that any move we have is going to be a false move. The market maker's job is to get you to inject your liquidity into the market. So this is the time we need to be paying attention for SFPs. This is the time we need to be paying attention for fake moves and false moves. And this is the time we need to be paying attention to vector candles. Okay? Guys, this is the video that you're going to go on. I'm going to go pee real quick. Everybody go to that video, drop a comment, and make sure you like the video. I don't care what the comment says, but we're going to make it have a... What emoji should we do? Okay, do the squid or the octopus emoji, okay? Squid or octopus or some kind of seafood. I don't care what it is. I'm going to go pee real quick. And when we come back, we're going to do the giveaway. We'll do the giveaway here in 3 minutes. And then we will say ta-ta for now. Greg, how are you, bro? I'm well. I hope you're well. Charant hasn't had exams. No, bro. He's not. You missed. If you're asking about Charant, man, you haven't been around lately. I'm not going to get into... I'm not... Like, look, I made an announcement about it. It's there if you want to go dig for it. I'm not going to talk about it. I'm not going to put attention on it. It's not important. I wish Charant well. We all wish him well. He's in the Discord, but he's no longer a mod. It's not about school. But, you know, we wish him well. It was his birthday a couple days ago. If you want to say happy birthday to him, you can go ahead and do that. His birthday was on March 10th. I wish nothing but good for him. But, our professional relationship has come to an end. We'll just say that. So don't message Trent anymore. He's no longer a moderator. He can no longer help you with anything related to Trader Geo. Spider lines are from the 2018 era. Search for Frankie Candle's spider lines. Frank did a good job of putting them together. Yeah, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, the spider lines were created from CryptoFace. I've just never used them. It's not saying that they don't work. I just don't trade that way. You know? Yeah, man. He's good. All is well. Just, again, I'm not going to get into it, but you guys can go back and find it. It's in my Geo for President channel, so you guys can absolutely go back and find it. But, yeah. But yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go pee, and then we'll do the giveaway. Make sure you go like. You go like the video. You have to like the video and drop the comment with some kind of seafood. And I will be right back. We're going to do the giveaway here in a couple minutes.
Oh yeah, they tell me I'm a bad boy. All the ladies look at me and act coy. I just like to put my hands up in the air. I want a bad girl dancing over there. Look at her go on the dance floor. She's amazing on the dance floor. When she moves, girl, I want more. Keep it going, go. I gotta know.
Go, yeah. Go, Geo, go. Go, Geo, go. Okay, so we're actually coming up right now. Here, bro, I'll send you the link. We're actually coming up right now to, there you go. We're actually coming up right now to the order block. So let's see what happens here real quick. And I guess I'll let you guys know if I end up taking a short here. Not shorting yet. Not shorting yet. Nope, not at all. Let's see. We got the green vector candles, which means that you guys market or retail is market longing here. It doesn't have to stop, but we're market longing here. Okay. One minute money flow is diverging. Okay, so let's see. Let us see what's going on. There's a trader on YouTube from Montreal that uses diagonal lines. Yeah, I don't do that. I personally don't do it. So guys, if you know how to identify order blocks, which you might win right now, I'm about to do a giveaway. If you know how to identify your order blocks, then you could identify this level as easily as I did. It took me 2 seconds to do so. And then if market structure slash market cipher are giving you the signals that you want to see when you get there, then why not take the trade? And so if you were patient and you waited for your level to get hit, especially this level, like look at how small it is. It's a $100 level. You could have, I'm not saying that it's gonna work out, but I'm just saying, and like you could have shorted there, but you know, a very, very tight stop loss, like very tight stop loss, and then now hold it down as low as it'll let you go. And so like, look at this. This is already a 5 to 1. Like, look at this. If you put $100 on this trade right here, you would be up $450 right now. Like, it's so not that hard. And so anyways, because we look at that beautiful divergence. Look at this. Divergence. We'll see what happens here. Is it gonna play out? I have absolutely no idea. I didn't take it, but I have no idea. Maybe this is a giga short. I don't know, right? We don't know. But if you put $100 up here, you're up $400 right now. $100 of risk, that is, right? If you got stopped out, you would have lost $100. You're up 400 right there. 5 to 0 trade. And realistically, if you did take it, where are we taking profit? TP1 would probably be these lows, but I mean, definitely you're gonna take profit at the VWAP. And yo, if we lose VWAP and retest VWAP, I'm not saying we're going to, but if this happens, guy, where are you gonna target? Where are you gonna target? Look at this. Easy money to sweep here. Easy. You're gonna target this guy or somewhere down here. We're gonna check if we got order blocks down here. Probably not. So this trade idea could, I'm not saying it's going to, and it might be too late to enter now, but this trade idea, if you waited for it, this could be your money for the month right here. Again, we don't know if it's gonna happen, but I'm just saying that is a 13 to 1. If you put 1% of your account on that trade, you put 13 or 1% on that trade of your account, you just made 13% of your entire account. If it works out. I don't know if it's gonna work out. Damn, I kind of want to try it. I want to like, just why not? Why not shoot for it? If structure breaks on my side, then I'll take it. We'll see. It's too early now. But this is what's the boot camps are going to teach you how to do all this. Okay? Boot camps are going to teach you how to do this. All right. Let's do our giveaway. How many things are we at right now? All right, 79 comments. Guys, we're going to do the giveaway right now. And then I will love you and leave you. I believe Tino says that. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Shouts out to Tino. An absolute G. Alright, and guys, you already know, man. Come on now. Where's my music at? I don't even know where the music's at. I don't want to be in love anymore. I hope you get it, bro. I hope you get it. All right, man, listen, you already know I'm going to hit you guys with the speech. It was not very long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to figure out this game. And if I can help make it a little bit better with my the knowledge that I've acquired over the years, then that's why I'm here. You know, when I go in the ground, I want to go to a good place. And I just want the best for everybody. So, I got high hopes for all of you, just like I had high hopes for myself. Let's do the giveaway. The winner of today's giveaway is... I did that too early, mama said. Back in the days we wanted everything. Mama said Hold on. We gotta check that. We gotta check Marcel. I don't know if Marcel's in here. We gotta check Marcel. Absorbing all the other comments. Y'all are funny. Marcel is in here. And I did do filter comments. So Marcel Schneiders, my friend, you are the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations. Guys, if you didn't win, don't be upset because we can always try again tomorrow. And hey, if you share the stream around, we'll get more people here. And every 100 likes, I do giveaways. Like 2-3 weeks ago, a month ago, I was doing like 2-3 giveaways, 4 giveaways a stream. So if we can get those numbers back up, then I will do those giveaways every 100. Maybe I'll cap it at 2 though. We'll see. But congratulations, bro. This is what I need you to do, Marcel. Head over to that YouTube video that you were on. Make sure you take a picture of the screen. Make sure the video is liked. And open up a ticket in the Discord. Guys, the Discord link, we changed the link. So here's the link if you're not in it. And I will have to go back and change all of my... I will have to go back and change all of this. Listen, before I go, congratulations, bro. I appreciate you. What time frame was that order block? That was a 10-minute order block. Guys, I'm going to love you and leave you. I'm going to say this one last time. Sigma pill. Sigma pill. Open up a ticket. Okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Guys, I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. And I'll see y'all on the flip side.
Set my heart on fire.